Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to show you today how to hide or change the profile picture for the contact that you want on the WhatsApp application. So this application only works, by the way, on Android devices, and you can download it using the Play Store, the Google Play Store on your Android device. So if you want, for example, I choose this contact, you can see that it's not perfect, but works. This is because the application is an overlay that projects the image that you want to fit exactly in the position of your contact, looking for the contact name you choose. For example, I choose these two contacts, and you can see that it follows my screen movement when I scroll the screen. So, and when I open it, it fits to cover the image. Okay, the function is very simple. You need to download this application, activate the overlay and the accessibility option from Android. You can choose a round image or a square image, the opacity of the image. I selected a different size adjustment and horizontal and vertical offsets because depend on the screen you have, maybe you need to move a little bit these bars, but it's really simple. For example, if I want to change this picture for Ruben Trabajo, I can choose, for example, this one. And don't forget to save all the configurations. Then when we can go back, oh, yeah, you can see that there is a new picture over the contact. You can select also the image you want. For example, I choose this predefined image, but if I get into the gallery of your phone, you can select, for example, this one, save all the configuration again, and when we were back, oh, please change. Let me check. Save all the configurations. Okay, there is. Maybe take, if the image is large, maybe it takes a little bit longer, but it's working. Now you can book the application if you do this scroll fast, like I'm doing now. You can book the application, but if you want to hide or not to see the image of our contact, this is the only way I found to do that, and it's working. It's not perfect, but it's working, and you can use it only on your Android devices. Uh, I hope in the future we can do the same on iPhone, but it's not to be it's not possible at this moment because of the restrictions in the iOS system. So this is the way you can do that, and it's working.